Jerry 1035.
Fanum, what you doing, cuz? I know you're from the Bronx and that, but come on, bro. You got hella money, bro.
Christmas lights, 92, and
still being a little fucking Dominican ass nigga from the Bronx. No, joke. Oh, he's in a Lambo. This is from Christmas time, isn't it?
Hello. No, it looks crazy. My bad. This driver's license. How you doing?
I'm alright. How are you?
Right.
What are you doing tonight?
Got
anybody else down there?
I got you.
You know what I'm stopping you for this morning at this point?
I think it's the lights.
It's not the lights. You don't have a license plate. Yeah, what's going on with it?
I know it sounds good. Like
Whose car is it?
It's mine.
It's your car?
Yeah.
So what's going on with your tag?
No, I forgot to have it on.
You forgot to have it
I
on?
don't drive this car that much. I was doing a video for it. That's what lights.
Okay. How long have you owned it? I just need some sort of proof that you own the car.
Okay, let's get you.
They hating on a nigga.
Registration?
Yeah.
Hating on a nigga.
Bro.
Where y'all coming tonight? Or coming from tonight?
I'm going home. I'm living.
You're going home? Where you coming from?
From home. I was shooting a video.
So you're shooting a video.
Yeah. Alright.
Had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Smoke anything?
No, I don't smoke.
Take any prescription medication?
No.
Illegal narcotics?
Yo, does he get arrested? Oh, he should get caught there. Wow.
Go for it. Copy it, 1028.
Fanum wild, bro.
Charlie X-Ray Foxtrot 7550. Here you go. Make sure the VIN's the correct VIN number. 2291. Alright. Give me a moment, I'll be right back with you, okay?
Take off, G. Welcome.
Cheer down for 41, clear for traffic, negative 29.
Good.
10-4, back for 2021, for the blue and color to reporter subject on Marietta. Showing registration expired, valid insurance, negative 29.
Clear.
Oh, Jesus.
Uh-oh.
So where do you live? That's right there,
Yep, left, right, right.
Okay. Do me a favor, come on back here with me for a moment. You got any weapons with you? Guns, knives, explosives? Come on back here in front of my car. Nothing illegal on you. Alright. Well, why is your license suspended?
It is?
Yeah.
You won't say that.
Why?
What does it say?
You said you got a feeling why I might say that.
Because I had a ticket, but the blur's handling it, so I don't know how it works.
Okay, saying it's suspended for failure to appear. So you didn't show up for a court hearing, and so the judge suspended your license, okay? Because of that, you are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Can I pass this?
I got you. Hang on for a second. Right now, just put your hands behind your back.
I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. Ain't about nothing.
Oh,
Does he got a driver's license?
There's ID on there.
yo, the police is always on fucking ass, bro.
Let me get your hand, dude.
Make sure everything gets coordinated. Okay. So keep the phone. Is your ID in here?
Alright, you listen, man.
Alright, you good if I grab it?
Actually, look, you should have my driver's license.
I got the driver's license.
Yeah. You want this to go with the
Yo, tell Steve to come get this V.
You live over there at 204?
Yeah, I'm a block away from home.
Okay. Does he get a driver's license?
Yeah.
You okay if he drives your car over there?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay.
So
So
you cool if you wait for him to get it? Headlight, there you go, headlight.
okay. Cool. So you're being charged with two things. One is expired registration.
Yeah.
Or I'm sorry, not having registration on the car because the registration was expired in 2023.
Well, that's the picture I showed you. It still was expired.
Still expired.
So the car is registered in New York now. I just showed you that for verification that I own the vehicle.
Okay, so then it's an unregistered motor vehicle
No, it's registered.
in New York.
Exactly.
How long have you lived here? Because you said you live over there at 204.
You're right. But there's a temporary... No, I have all the paperwork for it, but I understand. Okay.
Go and face the car for me.
Right.
The registration issue is something that I would release on citation. You're going to jail for the
suspended license, yeah,
because
yeah.
it was a failure to appear specifically. Okay.
Right.
You got anything on you that's illegal?
No.
Nothing that can poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, it should be fine.
All right.
Yo, that's tough, you know.
Spread your feet apart for me.
Man got caught slipping on the wrong day. In a bright pink and purple Lamborghini. I mean, he's rich though, so obviously man's living for rich. You don't give a shit. It's like what, maybe 1 day, 2 days, that's nothing in jail, bro.
Come on, set up car for me.
Can I get my phone?
I'll get it. It can't go with you,
Okay.
but I'll take it and it's gonna meet you at the jail.
Got it, no problem.
Yeah, you'll be able to get phone numbers out of it.
To the crib. All right.
What do you do for work?
I make YouTube videos.
You make YouTube videos?
Yeah.
All right, what's your head getting in here?
You're making that money. Making
Say
that
however you
money.
got to get comfortable.
So let's do it. How far is it? Is it a far ride?
10 to 15 from here. Who do you want to take your car? Is it the dude that was in the passenger or that guy?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
What will win
Get
in
the
a drag
fuck out of my
race
face,
between